Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging rational equation problem. The given equation is x cube plus 1 over x square minus 1 plus x plus 1 over x minus 1 whole square equal to 18 over x plus 1. We have to find out all real solutions. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation first. Denominator cannot be 0, denominator cannot be 0, denominator cannot be 0. Conclusion is x cannot be equal to plus minus 1. Now let us write one algebraic identity which we will use in this problem solving, that is a square minus b square, difference of two squares, a plus b times a minus b. Where I will apply here x square minus 1, it would be written as x plus 1 times x minus 1. Let us apply in the equation first. So equation will look like, I will write x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1 x minus 1 plus x plus 1 over x minus 1 whole square equal to 18 over x plus 1. Now I will multiply both sides, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. See what will happen after that. 1 x minus 1 from the denominator will be cancelled out. Means I can cancel this term, and here we will cancel this power. After that we will write x cube plus 1 over x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over x minus 1 equal to 18 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. Now I will consider LCM both sides. So once you will take LCM, see denominator x plus 1 will be cancelled out from both the sides. So let us consider LCM. I will write x cube plus 1 times x minus 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. This is our LHS numerator. Denominator is x plus 1 times x minus 1. And RHS, if you will see, 18 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. Now cancel whatever we can cancel. So denominator x plus 1 will be cancelled out. Now cross multiply the left terms. So I will write x cube plus 1. First expand this one. X power 4 minus x cube plus x minus 1 plus whole square. X square plus 2x plus 1. And then we will write it is equal to 18 times x minus 1 whole square. So x square minus 2x plus 1. Done. Now let us simplify LHS. X power 4 minus x cube, x plus 2x 3x, but before that x square. So I will write x square plus 3x, and 1 we can cancel out. It is equal to 18 times x square minus 36x plus 18. Take all the term to one side. You will get one quartic equation, x power 4 minus x cube minus 17x square. Then we'll get 39x. Then we'll write minus 18 equal to 0. This is one quartic equation, you can see. Now we will solve this equation using synthetic division method and rational root theorem. The eligible factors of constant coefficient, if you will see, it is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 9, plus minus 18. And leading coefficient, if you will see, it is only plus minus 1. Once you will take the ratio, you will get to know about the very first base solution. So let me put over here x is equal to 2 straight away. Let me write here x power 4 minus x cube minus 17x square. then plus 39x minus 18 equal to 0. Let us put x is equal to 2 in this equation. See what will happen. So 2 power 4, 16, 2 cube 8, 2 square is 4, 4 times 17, 68, plus 2 times 39, 78, minus 18. If you will check, plus numbers are 94. If you will sum up, 94. So it is satisfying the equation. That means x is equal to 2 is our base solution. Okay. Now I will use synthetic division method. So let me write here SDM, and I will write all the coefficients of this quartic equation. This is one quartic equation. Base solution is known. So I will write all the coefficient. The coefficient of x power 4, 1. Coefficient of x cube, minus 1. Coefficient of x square, minus 17. Coefficient of x, 39. Coefficient of constant number or constant coefficient it is, minus 18. Put one line. Leading coefficient 1 unchanged. 2 times 1, 2, 1. 2 times 1, 2, minus 15. 2 times minus 15, minus 30, 9. 2 times 9, 18, 0. So these are coefficient for cubic equation. Let me write cubic equation. X cube plus x square minus 15x plus 9 equal to 0. Now I will again use synthetic division method, the rational root theorem. Let me write this equation here. X cube plus x square minus 15x plus 9 equal to 0. Now if I will write all the eligible factors of constant number 9, then you will get to know about factors plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 9. Okay. And leading coefficient, if you will see, it is only plus minus 1. Straight away, if you will put x is equal to 3, by taking the ratio of constant coefficient to the leading coefficient, you will get to know there are limited number of solutions. So out of those solutions, you will put x is equal to 3. So I will write over there 3 cube plus 3 square minus 45 plus 9. So it is 3 cube is 27 plus 9 plus 9. 45 minus 45. Yes, it is true. Making our equation 0. So this is our base solution. Second base solution I would say. Now I will apply again synthetic division. Write all the coefficient of this cubic equation this time. Coefficient of x cube 1, coefficient of x square 1, coefficient of x minus 15, constant coefficient 9. Put one line over there. Leading coefficient as it is 1. 1 times 3, 3, 4. 4 times 3, 12, minus 3. 3 times minus 3, minus 9, 0. Here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. Let me write x square plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Let us solve this equation for remaining two roots. So far our solution is first base solution, that was x is equal to 2, and second base solution, this one, x is equal to 3. And now we will find out two solutions from this quadratic equation. Let us solve this quadratic equation. X square plus 4x minus 3. X square plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Let us apply Sridharacharya formula. Minus b, minus 4, plus minus under the root, b square 16, minus 4ac 12 over 2a, so 2. Minus 4 plus minus square root 28 over 2. Minus 4, 28 is 7 times 4. So I will write plus minus 2 root 7 over 2. So our x solution, if we will write minus 2 plus minus root 7. And this is also real solution. So overall we have calculated 4 real solutions. X is equal to 2, 3 and minus 2 plus minus root 7. 4 real solutions. Let me verify these two. Let us write over here verification. x is equal to 2 I will substitute, x equal to 2. See what will happen. 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 1 9 over 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 plus this is our LHS. Now this numerator x plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1, 1 is square. So this value is coming out 3, 1 is square it is. See this way. 3 plus 3. So value is 6. Now RHS 18 over 2 plus 1, 3. So 6. Both values are matching. That means this solution is verified. Now come to second solution. Second integral or integer solution. So x is equal to 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 1, 28 over 3 square is 9 minus 1, 8. This is our LHS. Okay. Second term 3 plus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 2 whole square, 4. So if you will cancel these two, 1. So it is coming out 28 over 8 plus 1. RHS is 18 over 4. So I can write 9 over 2. Your LHS needs to be simplified. 28 plus 8, 36 over 8. So if I will cancel with 4, 4 9 ja 36, 4 2 ja 8. So both values are matching. Solution is verified. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care.